Hi and welcome to Show's classes. You can WhatsApp us or call us at this number for any doubts, queries, or for full videos on our courses. Let's dive into our first question. Consider an agent in an economy with two goods X and X1 and X2. Suppose she has income 20. Suppose she also that she consumes amount X1 and X2. Okay, let me change this to red so that it becomes brighter. She has the following utility function. Now suppose the prices of x1 and x2 are each 1. What is the agent's optimal consumption bundle? And suppose the price of x2 increases to 4, all else remain the same. Which consumption bundle does the agent choose now? We'll solve this question in just a second. Now we can see that the utility is a convex function and hence is also quasi-concave. Therefore solution to the above problem can be obtained through the standard slope. Therefore I have already written the MRS, that is MRS is of, let's write it MRS 12 equals to 232 minus 6x2, and the budget line, I'll write this as BL, is x1 plus x2 equals to 20. Solution is not at solution at x2 equals to 0, because at this corner MRS 12 is equals to 1 by 60, which is less than 1, which is equals to P1 by P2. Therefore consumer will benefit from spending some money on x2. Solution is not also at the other corner x2 equals to 20, because then marginal utility is less than 0 at this consumption level. Therefore it is beneficial to spend less on x2. Hence the solution is the interior and satisfy, let me see, therefore solution at interior that satisfy MRS 12 equals to 1, and we get x2 equals to 5, x1 equals to 15. Now for B, as we are already seen in the question, okay, let's make it a bit colorful. For the new problem, solution is not no solution at x2 equals to 0, because MRS similar thing is equals to 1 by 16, which is less than 1 by 4, which is equals to P1 by P2. Therefore it pays to move some more money on x2. Solution is not also at x2 equals to 20, because marginal utility is less than 0. Therefore it pays to move to x1. Therefore the solution satisfies MRS 12 is equals to 1 by 4, and we get x2 equals to 4 and x1 is equals to 4. With this we come to an end of that great question. Please like, subscribe and click on the notification icon. We'll be solving many such more questions very soon. So see you, and thank you for being a part of Show's classes. Call us for our full videos or WhatsApp us for any questions or doubts that you may have.